If you search how to buy shares of Option Care Health, Inc., this is a quick step-by-step guide. Option Care Health provides home and alternate site infusion and specialty pharmacy services and trades on NASDAQ under the ticker OPCH. This is educational content and not financial advice. To purchase shares, you need a brokerage account, and we will use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you typically must verify your identity with an ID and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker OPCH to find the listing. Confirm you select the Option Care Health entry in the results to avoid similar names. On the asset page, review the company summary and the live price chart to confirm key details. Make sure the page shows the OPCH ticker and the company description matches Option Care Health. Click Invest or Trade, enter the amount you want to buy, then carefully review and confirm the order before submitting. If the market is closed, the order may not execute immediately, and if you have insufficient funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before final confirmation. Once the order is executed, the position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A link to eToro is included in the description for reference.